everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we've made it to episode 1 of season 4 on Zach's Daily Fashion. It's great to have you all back here. If you're new to the channel, then go back and watch the last couple of seasons and you'll be ready for this one. I've got another 10 fantastic episodes coming up. In today's episode, it's going to be a really good first intro. We're going to have a really fun one. I am actually travelling out to meet my girlfriend who's currently working in Kenya, in Africa. So I'm going to do a how to dress for a safari guide, show you guys some really cool fits. I'll show you how I've packed for the holiday as well, and we'll show you a few of the amazing memories we're going to have out there. Right, let's crack into it. So guys, one of the main reasons that I'm actually going over to Kenya to visit my girlfriend is I am planning on proposing to her. So this episode is a huge milestone in my life as an adult. So I'm just writing a speech together now of what I want to say to her when I get there. And I've also got the ring all ready. I've not got long now, so it's time to pack. First of all then guys, I'm going to iron all my clothes and I'm going to start laying everything out and deciding what I need to pack. One of the main things that I'm going to pack then are my t-shirts. So I've managed to get some from ASOS. These really nice sort of cheap thin ones just for the holiday because they are going to get battered and I don't want to use my best Daniel Simmons ones. And they've come in some really cool safari colourways. I've got brown, I've got beige and I've got some really cool green earthy colours. So in terms of leg wear then guys, what I'm going to do in the day for the safaris, I've got 2 gorgeous pairs of cargos which were quite cheap from Uniqlo. So these are their like gear trousers and they have like a built-in belt. So I've got a pair of these cargos in black and brown, which is a really nice colourway. Then I'm going to take 2 pairs of smart shorts, which are the Ami Bermuda shorts in beige, and then this nice sort of coffee colour. I'm going to take these swim shorts, which are just from Marks and Spencer's. And then I'm going to take 3 pairs of smart trousers for on an evening. So I've got some brown weekday official pleated trousers. I've got the Abercrombie baggy white pants. And then I've got some beige linen trousers as well by H&M. So guys, these are my 4 shirts for the trip. Quite funnily, they are all actually matching shirts from Zara. I've bought them all at different times in my life. Some of them are a couple of years old, some of them are brand new. So I've got this beige linen shirt, I've got this light chocolate brown one, a dark green one, and then the sort of light green white stripy one. They are all lovely linen shirts, which is really good because they're going to be breathable and nice and cool on an evening while I'm over there. And the big choice is I've got to decide which one I'm going to wear for the big day. Coat and jacket wise then, I'm just going to pack the Columbia raincoat, which is nice because it's quite lightweight, but it is still rainy season over in Kenya, so we might get a bit of downpour. And then I've got this lovely Patagonia fleece as well, which will come in handy on the cold mornings and the cooler evenings. So it's nearly been 2 weeks now guys since my girlfriend left and I am really struggling, I'm not going to lie. Living on your own when you've been living with someone for like the last 8-9 months, it's really hard. I miss her so much, but I can't wait to get over there soon. And obviously she's going to get the big surprise. So guys, it's the night before I jet off. I've got everything ready to go. I just need to add my toiletries and throw everything in the big bag. And then I've got my accessories and stuff ready for my flight to go in my little backpack. My outfit as well to travel in is just going to be this cashmere hoodie with a Daniel Simmons essential t-shirt. And just some grey sweatpants and the Salomons because they're the main shoes I'm going to use on the holiday. Wish me luck. Hey guys, I'm just at Heathrow now. My flight's been delayed by about 4 hours, so I've been here quite a while, but I'm just about to board now. I've just made it to the room guys, so I'm just having a little look around. It was a crazy experience getting the taxi to the lodge. We couldn't find it. The driver was just singing this Jambo song to me the whole way there. It was absolutely incredible. We went past the Nairobi National Park as well, which had like loads of animals and absolutely beautiful scenery. So yeah, I'm gonna get a shower now, get some kip, and then we'll start as activities. Right guys, the time has finally come. I'm just about to meet up with my girlfriend. She's on her way here now from north of Nairobi. have a little private setup this morning. Little spread. They've gone all out with the breakfast. It's quite cute. Oh yes, just a casual walk. Monkeys. Look at that little one in the tree. We've got hyraxes. Look, they're all hopping around. Giant lizards as well. Look, there's a family of them all sat on the wall. Oh, hello, hyraxes. Hello, giant lizard that just ran in a cave. Oh, some giant lizards up there. Giant lizards, and then giant fat guinea pig things. They're living here. Look at all the poo. Poo everywhere. Hello. Hello. We are friends. We are friends. Don't run. Oh, they're off. They're jumping around. Nice little view. Whew. Going up this big hill for some dinner with our packed lunches. Whew. Look at the view. This is the lodge. I mean, we've got 2 beds. Not that we need them. We've got a balcony area with a view over the lake. Nice in here. Come on, get off the road.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a haze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
That's all then for today's episode, guys. I hope you're glad to be back on the channel. If you did enjoy it, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in next week's.